y'all, this is the Gamer Double. We're going to show you how to program on Microsoft Small Basic. So, Microsoft Small Basic is an even basicer basic, which is hard to get by because basic is really basic. But anyways, let's put some text. So we have to start off with text window, and we'll put a dot. That means we're going inside the text window to right line. Remember to capitalize the W and L. So inside our line that we're going to write, we have to add parentheses, then apostrophes, then the text, and then another apostrophe, then a parenthesis. So let's add one parenthesis, apostrophe, then the text, which is hello world. Then we'll add another apostrophe and another parenthesis. So this is what it shows like. It's kind of gray, so it's hard to see, but it looks pretty good. So then we gotta change the color. So let's change the color to something even brighter so we can easily see it. So let's put that down and go to the first one. Let's change it to text window dot foreground color. Not right line, because right line is for writing text. This is a foreground color. So this time, instead of making the parentheses, just put the apostrophe, because you're not typing in text, you're typing in colors. Then we can start typing in the Y-E-L-L-O-W for yellow. I think yellow would be a nice color because it's kind of bright. Let's see how that works. There we go. It's yellow. But one thing, don't forget to change the color before the writing the text. Now let's try white. Let's see if white works. Oh, that also works. And now it's easy to read the text. Now let's say you actually want to highlight something. Instead of taking a highlighter and actually highlighting the screen, you can highlight the text. And sometimes it doesn't work out as well. Let me show you. For example, this is how it works. Background color. Background color won't change the whole background in a text window. It'll only highlight the words. Let's try orange and make the color blue for the words. Wait, orange didn't work. Some colors might not work in this Microsoft Small Basic. So let's try yellow instead. It may be hard to see, but if you look closely, you can actually see the blue words, hello world, are in the yellow highlighting. So highlighters can also work if you want to highlight some text. Okay, let's take this yellow away. We don't need it anymore for now. It's kind of hard to see some words. Anyways, now let's talk about variables and storing user responses. Let's say you want to ask the person a question. Then they have to respond to it and it'll store the answer. So let's try to make that. So text window, and these are all the different things you can do. If I haven't showed you this already, you can scroll down or press the down key to keep seeing all the choices. It makes it easier and you don't have to type the words manually. But let's go to right, because this isn't right line, this is right. This is special because this can be used for user responses. So now we just type in the normal text, but this time we're going to make it a question. Which year were you born? So now the person is going to have to answer to this question, and then we're going to actually display it back at them, saying you were born in this year. So then we can type in year is equal to text window dot read number. This means that this text window is going to read what the user responds to. So whatever the user types, like let's say I type 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll type that in. And it's going to say, okay, so now it's saved the number. But we're not doing anything with that number. Let's display it back so that you can actually see the number that's saved at the variable. But this is special because you don't do this just by saying text window dot right line. There's a special trick because variables aren't real text, they're variables. So let's just start off normally. Text window dot right line. And then we can write apostrophe and then parentheses. Don't forget that parenthesis apostrophe. You are, and now we're going to put another apostrophe because we're not typing anymore. And then let's put plus year. Year is a variable, so it's not a text. So we have to do plus year plus another apostrophe for text. And then we can backspace that and put another apostrophe. So let's change it. You were born in this year. So it's going to say the text you were born in, and it's going to tell the year. So the apostrophe to close the text and the apostrophe to close the year variable. And if we finish that, we can type in the year you were born. So 1, 2, 3. And it says you were born in 1, 2, 3. So that works. And let's say you don't want them to type a number. You want them to type a word. So you can take away the number in read. And let's save this project. And now we're done. Thanks for watching. The car